What's up, everyone? I'm back here with another video, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Kingston 64GB Data Traveler Micro Duo USB-C flash drive. So essentially what this is it's a dual USB-C as well as USB-A flash drive. It has both of the connectors on it is essentially what this is. And it's super small. And it's really compact. So basically it's got a standard USB type A 3.0 connector on one side and has a USB-C connector on the other, giving you that flexibility of being able to use this flash drive with basically multiple different devices with different USB ports. Really incredibly useful. And the transfer speeds you can see here have 100 megabytes per second read and 15 megabytes per second write. Really, the write speed is not some of the fastest that you can get. Unfortunately, 15 megabits a second really is not that very good. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open it up here. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got going on over here. Alright, so here we have this. Not sure what's in that. I'll get to that in just a minute. And here is the little tiny flash drive. So here it is in the palm of my hand. As you can see, it is incredibly small. It's basically only the size of what a USB connector would be. It's amazing that they were able to fit 64 gigabytes of storage on something this small that can actually connect to two totally different devices. It's amazing to me. Yeah, so that's that. So right here again, you have your standard USB 3.0 Type A connector. And then on this side, you have your standard USB Type-C connector. And it does have this little cover to protect the USB-C connector. So basically, you can see, you can close it and then push it into place, and it protects it. And then you can pull it up and open, and there you go, you have access. So that's really a nifty little feature there. Then this, I'm not sure what's in here. I'm assuming it's just going to be the instruction manual. And, oh, we actually get a little extra accessory. That I did not expect that. And then we just have the user manual and kind of the guide on how to use it. But anyway, so yeah, it does come with a little, what appears to be a small little lanyard or something. So you don't lose it, or you can attach it to a keychain, I guess. So that is really neat. I did not expect it to come with that. So I did initially pick this little device up off of Amazon for about $34 with free shipping. So it's really a pretty decent deal considering the amount of storage space you're getting and the sheer size of this. I mean, it's super compact, and yet you're getting a lot of storage space on it. So really cool. But that's basically it for this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below. It's greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That's also much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions or comments or anything of such, just drop them down below and I'll get back to them as soon as I possibly can. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video once again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.